Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Nick Gray, the High-Tech Traveler, and in today's video I'm going to be comparing the Pixel 2 versus the brand new HTC U12 Plus. Now, as you can see in the bottom left-hand corner, I'm recording this right now on the Pixel 2, which means this is going to be a camera comparison. Everything that you see in this video is going to be recorded on both of these devices. So just keep an eye on that bottom left-hand corner to see which device is being used for the video. By now you're probably really familiar with the specs of the Pixel 2. On the back of the phone you get a 12 megapixel camera that's paired with an f1.8 lens with electronic and optical image stabilization. And it can also record 4K video at 30 frames per second. And then when we flip things over to the front, you're looking at an 8 megapixel sensor that's paired with an f2.4 lens that can only record 1080p video at 30 frames per second. When looking at the HTC U12 Plus, you actually get two sensors on the back of the phone, a 12 megapixel sensor that's paired with an f1.75 lens and a 16 megapixel sensor that's paired with an f2.6 lens. Both have electronic and optical image stabilization and can record 4K video at 60 frames per second. And then if you look really close here to the left of the main sensor, you actually get laser autofocus as well. Flipping things over to the front, you get two sensors on the front, both 8 megapixels with f2.0 lenses. This can only record 1080p video at 30 frames per second.
What are you girls doing?
She's doing something to my face. Help me.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Video of me doing this.
As far as overall image quality goes, I would actually prefer that of the HTC U12 Plus, which is actually saying a lot since, as many of you know, I've picked the Pixel 2 when I've compared it to most other smartphones this year and last year, except for that of the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. I'm going to be doing a side-by-side comparison between the HTC U12 Plus and Samsung's devices coming up within the next couple days, so make sure you subscribe to the channel for that. If you enjoyed this video, hope you give it a thumbs up. And also, you should have some dinner with us because it's time to eat. You ready to eat?
Time to eat.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.